today is what I will be doing is I will be pollinating two of the female squash flowers because it's been 3 weeks that I have recognized two of female flowers sprouting on top of the veggie house, and this is the flowers of, I think, I don't know if I have 5 squash plants in this veggie house, and I have 3 of the squash plants flowering, and 2 of them are in the pot, in a very small pot, and those 2 were the flowering ones. I will let you see where they are planted. They just grew. I didn't plant them, but they just grew because they were the seeds of the squash were thrown or being put together with the compost of put together with the kitchen waste, because I don't normally plant squash because they just grow easily by themselves without preparing soil. They just grow anywhere. Wait, I just walk by there. I enter that door and walk by here, and we will sneak here and you'll see the 2 pots. So these are my first 2 pots, or where my first 2 squashes grow. So as you see, these are just small pots with enough soil, and the roots of the squashes just came out here, sneak on whatever they can see soils that are scattered on the ground, because they just easily they can just live even with a small soil medium, because what is important to squashes is that water. They easily absorb on water, and this part of the veggie house, usually when it rains, it will be flooding, so the pots here will be overflowing with water. It will be filled to the brim with water, and I have there the compost, my compost pit, and I think some of the nutrients there will be mixed with the flooding water. So that's why these 2 squash plants were the first one to produce the female flower. Ay, it happened. Okay. See that one? It's a very healthy flower. That one I recognized just yesterday. I thought I have just seen only one, but there are 2 actually. This is the only one that I keep on seeing. And just today, the 2 of them. Just today, which is August 4. Yes, today is August 4. I just came out from the house. I'm in my room. I'm relaxing a bit. I've just woke up, so that's why I have this looks, morning looks. I haven't even groomed. Anyway, so what I'll be doing, I will be doing right now what is needed to be done, because I still have to water the plants, especially the onions, and it's getting hotter already. It's going to be late in the morning. So I have to pick. I have to get a male squash flower so I can pollinate the female flower, because there's no use of having that form without turning it into fruit. So like ampalaya, it also has two flowers, the male and the female. And the difference is that the female, as I've shown lately, they have ovule. This one, the egg looking part. There, it's their ovule where the pollens need to be placed. So I found one of a male flower nearby. I will be So as you see here, inside this is a male flower, and they both have the same colors of petals. The petals name is corolla. And they have one part is the same inside, which is the nectary. Here is the nectary for the male here, and the female nectary is here also. But this is the ovule where we will be fertilizing where the eggs are here. We'll be fertilizing the ovule. So what to do? Luckily we have a pollinator. It's a beneficial insect. This is a moth. But anyway, I will be doing what I'll be doing today because I'm here already. So thank you for the moth that visited here. Still need to visit a male flower so it can pollinate. But since I'm here already, I will be the one to pollinate it. It's necessary because the flowers of the male within the day will fall out after the day, and the afternoon the female flowers will be falling out. So it's like this. Wait guys. So you see there, that is a stigma. It's a reproductive organ of the reproductive part where we will rub on the male reproductive part. This is the male reproductive part, the anther, and that is the stigma inside. And we just rub it just like that. How to do this properly so I can produce vegetable, because it's not only a presentation but this will be our food supply also. So that's how it is done, just simple as that. And you will just be waiting for the fruit for this one to grow when it is fertilized. So that is it for now, and thank you for watching our short video. It's just simply showing how to self-pollinate the squash plant. Hope we keep seeing you always on our next videos. Good luck guys!